Hey guys, and welcome back to the 2 of a K YouTube channel. This time around, I have some English song, very famous old school English songs.
Oh Lord, okay.
The lyrics of which I have translated into very broken Hindi with the help of ChatGPT, or at least I'm assuming it is broken Hindi. I will read it out in my broken dialect,
Okay.
and my mother and my aunt are going to have to guess which English song it is.
Okay, so do we have
English
like
song.
guess the
Look.
name or can we just like guess the lyrics?
You can guess
Sometimes,
the
you know, you
lyrics,
don't get the
Kavyati. I
Yeah,
mean,
I guess
if
so.
you can guess the lyrics correctly, fine. I'll give you the name of the song at the end.
Okay.
Okay, we can do that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So-
Because we don't know the name of the song. Maybe we can
Sometimes,
just say
yeah.
the
Are we
sing
ready?
the song.
Yes,
I'm
I'm
ready. I really hope I don't butcher this, but yeah, alright. So the first one. अंदाज से पहचान लो जैसे चलता हूँ मैं औरों का दीवाना हूँ बातों का वक्त नहीं है आग संगीत ऊंचा और दिलकश है वो जन्म से ही ठोकरें देखे हैं मैं
Read it again. Andaz.
अंदाज से पहचान लो जैसे चलता हूँ मैं औरों के दीवाना हूँ बातों का वक्त नहीं है अब संगीत ऊंचा और दिलकश है वो जन्म से ही ठोकरें खेल हैं मैं बहुत
Andaz. What's the first line? Andaz. Take a
Andaz.
chance on me, no?
अंदाज से पहचान लो जैसे चलता हूँ मैं.
Walking.
You're right with the walking bit.
Yeah.
Is it Michael Jackson's song?
No, it's not a Michael Jackson song. If I could give you a hint, the song came out in 1977.
My God. I was thinking, I don't know whether it's Bee Gees Day. I don't know.
You give up?
I do.
Yeah, I
think yes.
Somehow you're out on the money. It was Bee Gees' "Staying Alive."
I was thinking of staying alive.
So it's not that part because that would just be so easy to
But
translate.
I think you should give
It's-
us that part. Because we are not
It's-
very familiar with the lyrics of the
It's
song.
the
But-
first part, which is well, you can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm always
No,
there.
But the thing is, Jay, I mean, we don't know. We have not paid attention to those. But at least that one chorus line you should put.
That's just
Stay
so
alive.
easy then, right?
No, but then since it's in Hindi and the way you're like killing the language,
I know we
will
would have recognized. He
Okay.
wouldn't have.
But yeah, that was Bee Gees' "Staying Alive."
Okay.
Let's go on to the second one.
Let's hope we get this.
Oh boy, okay. मैं दीवाना हूँ तेरी अदों का अदाओं का
Okay.
हम खींच जाते हैं जैसे चुंबक करें मेरा दिल भी गिर रहा है तेरे लिए मैं दीवाना हूँ तेरी
बातों का
तेरी बॉडी का
I'm in love with the shape of you.
Ed
Sheeran, I got
You got it. You got it.
That was
You got
Shape
it!
of You by Ed
I love
Sheeran.
that song. I know. That's why I'm not a big fan of.
blasphemy.
Yeah.
Ed Sheeran and you. I mean, it's tragic.
No, this is a famous song.
Oh, he has
Popular
lovely
song,
songs.
yes.
He's got a lot of nice songs.
Yeah, that's there, but I'm not listen to any
Okay.
of the songs.
Let's go to number 3.
Yes.
Mhm.
Ooh, this is ooh, literally the word.
Ooh.
Okay. तू नाच सकती है तू झूम सकती है जीती है जिंदगी के बहतारे पाल
Pal.
अस लड़की को देखो अस पाल को महसूस करो वो है सबकी फेवरेट I can't tell you the last word because it's translated to English
Well, just say
Read it again.
because it will give away the song.
Okay, read it again. The song.
तू नाच सकती है तू झूम सकती है जीती है जिंदगी के बहतारे पाल
बेहतरीन.
बेहतरे पाल
बेहतर. Pal.
तू अस लड़की को देखो अस पाल को महसूस करो वो है सबकी फेवरेट
Dancing Queen, huh?
Is it Katy
You
Perry?
are on the right.
Oh,
It is
ABBA,
Dancing Queen
oh.
by ABBA. It is particularly the lyrics. You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine.
Oh.
You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life.
Right.
See that girl, watch the scene. I don't know why they translated the last bit into dig in the dancing
Ah, that too.
Yeah, then it rather given the word.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
But anyway, we got
Yes.
it.
queen. Yes, we got it right. Number 4.
Yes.
एक प्यार भरा छोटा सा चुमा भेज
एक प्यार भरा छोटा सा चुम्मा भेज.
Yeah. और चला दे कोई गोली जिंदगी पे, हमें
Oh.
चाहिए कोई सहारा
This one.
अपना, बस
Blow a
चाहिए
kiss, fire a
कोई
gun.
हमसफर
Oh,
जिसके
it's a famous song.
कंधे पे सिर रख सके.
I don't know who the singer and all is, but it's a famous song, Jay.
You
Blow a
can-
kiss, fire a gun. How does it go? I forget.
I've not heard of this.
Oh, you would have heard it. It's a
Blow
famous.
a kiss, fire a gun. We need someone to lean on.
Oh, we need
Blow a
someone
kiss,
to
fire
lean
a
on.
gun. All we need
okay,
is
that
somebody
part,
to
yes.
lean
Lean
on.
on.
But I'm not very familiar with this. Huh.
So I don't know the singer, but I guess
It's
the
by a DJ group called Major Lazer.
Oh, never heard of them.
Blow a kiss, fire a gun.
All you need is someone to lean on.
Lean on. That part
Yeah.
I've heard of.
Ah, oh.
This
How
one
did you
should be
hear only that
relatively
part?
easy.
Huh.
The last one. स्वागत है तुम्हारा होटल कैलिफोर्निया
Oh,
में।
welcome to California.
कितनी
It's a lovely
खूबसूरत जगह, कितनी
Such a
खूबसूरत
lovely
जगह,
place. Such a
कितना हसीन चेहरा।
Yeah.
बहुत कमरे हैं होटल कैलिफोर्निया में, कैलिफोर्निया में। साले भर के किसी
साल
भी-
भर के साल
भर के.
साल भर के
किसी
Year-
किसी भी वक्त यहाँ
Anytime.
तुम्हें मिल जाएगा सब कुछ।
get it.
Oh, wow.
So yeah,
Hotel California, such a lovely place. Such a lovely I don't know the words. Okay.
so yeah, guys, that was me translating English songs.
I
in
think it
Hindi.
was hilarious because of his
Ah.
translation.
Yeah, exactly.
Then getting my aunt and my mother to guess it. They figured out most of them except
Yes.
maybe one or two.
Except one, I think.
The first one.
The first one,
First
yeah.
one, yeah. First one
Staying
was
Alive
very
by the
clearly
Bee Gees.
did-
Yeah. I mean, I was thinking of Staying Alive, but I didn't know the words.
But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this concept. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch you all in the next one. Peace.
Toodaloo!
Toodaloo!
Alvida!
Like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah.